So, so I figured that I did that video the other day on how to stream to 10 plus websites using an Xbox. That was the video I did the other day. How to stream to 10 or more sites for almost free from an Xbox console. I learned about this application watching a streamer. I think his name's LAS. I think his name's Mr. Curry. LAS website. I mean LAS on YouTube. I think he said his name was Curry. So anyway, he had did a video about how to stream to Kick on an Xbox, in which he talked about this application right here, this Aircast app, which is actually a website browser app. And through the custom browser docs function here, right there, in the my picture's laying over top of it, but it's right here where it's blue highlighted. You can plug in the URL and then be able to dock that inside of OBS. And so combining what I've done here is in my stream, and you can see that in part one of how to stream to 10 or more websites from an Xbox console. In part one, you can see that I talked about in this box over here on this side right here, we're using Restream, which gives you Restream gives you two streaming platforms that you can stream to and relays from like Twitch to the secondary platform. That's in their free plan. I think you can stream up to 35, but it will cost you like $300 a year on Restream. So what I've done here is I wanted to be able to stream to more than one website. Now I've heard everybody talk about this with ATEM multi-stream, and there's a few other different ways to stream, but none were as perfect as this Aircast system, because this is why it's so perfect. And that's why I thought about I need to make a continuation of part two of this video, specifically going to the Aircast app that is usable in Xbox, dockable in OBS. And it seems this is the freaky part that I figured out right here. If you look at it right here on the right, well, it's on the left here on my screen. It should be on the left there too. It says True Killer Kid Twitch, okay? And then it says offline, but then it has connected, and some of the sites did not. Kick didn't go, but you can just press that again and get it to connect on the second time around if it has any problem failing. Now, what I've noticed since I've been testing this out, so I started those streams, the two that didn't go through. So it seems like this is allowed me to stream to like 6 websites at a time. I'm streaming to Telegram, Kick, a site called Nemo, Trovo, DLive, and then 2 more over here. So that's like 7 websites I'm streaming to right now. The thing about it is that I've noticed is what you want to do is you want to click auto start when your stream goes live, but it seems like it's connected to Twitch. Even from Restream, it'll start, and that's the thing that we're getting at. Because with this connected to your Twitch account, not necessarily connected to anything else, but it's set to go live. The rest of your streams are set to go live when your Twitch does. So I set that to go live on Restream, and still it activates the other accounts. It doesn't have to go through this Aircast app, and you'll see all those are online right there. And I'll show you what I mean right here, because I could just pull a display capture up and open up Twitch, and you'll see I'll open up the web browser, and then I'll open up Twitch and I'll capture it, and you'll see exactly what I mean. And I can even bring it over there. I'll go to my channel here on Twitch, and it's live. Well, no, better yet, because it will be live on Twitch, because that's set from Restream. But here's one. I'm only set for Facebook and Twitch on Restream. So when I show you that Kick is live, you're like, holy crap, I can't believe that. Because now I'm set up with Restream, and then I have the Aircast app docked in the side right there, and that is pumping out another 5 more streams with the same. It's piggybacking off of the Twitch stream that is set up in OBS, and that's good because the reason why this is good because it allows you to then capture everything that you have it the way set up in OBS with all the tricks that you have, the overlays and everything like that. Whereas if you just did it from an Xbox, you would just have a camera. So you see it right here? That is set up in OBS, and that's good. This is my kick stream. It's not set up. It is not set up on OBS with all the tricks that you have, the overlays and everything like that. It is not set up at all on Restream. It is set up through Aircast, and this is my Twitch stream, and it is live, and it is showing you my OBS display capture for my tutorial right here. And I can even crop it down. I don't have to crop it down. You can see it. I got it in the menu right here. That's my kick stream right there. It is set up through Aircast, and this is my Twitch stream. And you can even hear it because it's broadcasting. So that is cool. And it does it with every other site. Like I go to Trovo, and I can even go to Trovo, and I can pull up my site. My stream that's coming through Aircast on Trovo, and it does it with all of my streamer setup intact. My overlays and all these types of things. It does it all with everything set intact, and that is cool. So, because I was wondering about that, like when I was streaming just from the Xbox itself. Just do it from the Xbox itself. I was gonna have to buy a C922 Logitech camera, and then I wouldn't have my overlays and all the chat and things like that. So I think it is best. You can stream getting this Logitech C922 camera that is compatible with the Xbox, and you could just stream like that, and you'll just have your camera and you're sitting on top of your gameplay and an overlay, and you could do that. But if you like all the chat options and features that they have, then it's best that you do it from OBS and just drop the Aircast in the browser dock, in the custom browser docks. So look, this is my Trovo right here. I got it on display capture. This is my Trovo right here. And boom, as you see, it's streaming Trovo. It's streaming my OBS in the display capture right here on Trovo. So this is many websites as you can find, right? If you can find the websites, I'll just take that off there. But if you can find the websites, and then you would need to get a stream key and a URL from many different websites around the world. There are things like Twitch and Kick in China, Japan, and Russia, and things like that, in other countries like that. So if you get streamer keys for every website across, this will push all those streams out for you with no extra lag to your computer. Because it is a relay service, just like Restream. But the only thing is it's open source relay. It's an open source relay. It's like Restream, but it's open source. So they're making a little bit of money. They charge $8 a month to do this. $8 a month. Or you can just pay for a year and get $80 a year. And boom, you can just stream to as many websites as you have access to with your stream URL and your stream key, and that's amazing. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, it's the second part to the video. I felt I need to go into more depth about the Aircast app, the browser streaming relay. Check it out, and I hope you comment back. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me how you're using it. Whether you're using it, or you're gonna use it just to be an Xbox streamer with just the webcam, or you're gonna set this up with say for instance you can set it up with Restream like I did, and you'll be able to stream to multiple sites. I'm streaming to like 7 right now. So let me know how you like it. Tell me what you're using it for, and leave me a comment. I'll see you on the next one.